The next global conflict may not begin in the sky, it may already be unfolding beneath the ocean. I'm Dave, and today we're diving into the invisible front line that's paralyzing global shipping. For decades, we've watched the skies, but the real threat to our global economy is now coming from the depths. What started as surface missiles has evolved. February 2024 marked a turning point. CENTCOM confirmed the first deployment of a Houthi undersea drone. This wasn't just a prototype, it was a clear signal that the rules of maritime security had been rewritten overnight. Since November 2023, the el-Mandeb Strait has become a gauntlet, a 20-mile wide choke point held hostage by technology. To understand why this matters, we have to look at the map. This narrow passage is the gateway between the east and the west. 12% of all global seaborne trade passes through here. It is the jugular vein of the world's energy and commerce. Traffic has plummeted by over 50%. In some weeks, commodity transits fell to just 11 ships a day. The cost of this war isn't just measured in ships lost. Freight rates on some routes have skyrocketed by nearly 300%. Insurance premiums are through the roof. For some vessels, it's adding hundreds of thousands of dollars to a single voyage. This isn't the first time the world has faced an undersea threat. History gives us a dark precedent. 80 years ago, German U-boats nearly starved Britain into submission. Today, the tech is different, but the strategy is the same. During the Cold War, undersea warfare was about multi-billion-dollar nuclear submarines. Now, it's asymmetric, it's cheap, and it's deadly. Meet the Al-Qaria. It's essentially a guided torpedo that operates just beneath the waves, invisible to standard radar. Intelligence officials point to a complex kill chain. Iran provides the targeting data while local forces launch from hidden coastal sites. Even the world's most advanced navies are struggling to keep up. Our current defenses were built to fight planes and missiles, not shadows. The US and UK have launched hundreds of strikes, but the undersea domain remains a gray zone where detection is nearly impossible. Scientists are now testing experimental defenses, undersea air curtains to blind sensors, artificial kelp to entangle propellers. It's a literal arms race in the deep. So, where does this end? The Houthis have already expanded their targets to undersea telecommunications cables. The Red Sea is the testing ground. If these tactics succeed here, every maritime choke point on Earth becomes a target. We are witnessing the birth of a new era of naval warfare, one where the ocean is no longer a shield, but a hiding place for the next threat. The waves might look calm, but beneath the surface, the world has already changed. I'm Dave for World Uncovered.